Hello everyone. This time I will discuss the Bayraktar TB2 war tool, which is currently popular, especially in the current war. The Bayraktar TB2 is a Turkish-made attack drone that is very famous in the war that has occurred in recent years. This drone is capable of carrying smart missiles and carrying out long-range attacks with high precision. Videos showing the Bayraktar TB2 destroying high-profile targets such as tanks, armored vehicles and Russian air defense systems have gone extremely viral on YouTube. The effectiveness of these drones in combat, as well as dramatic images showing precision airstrikes, have made them very popular on social media. This drone's ability to carry out precision strikes without endangering the pilot's life makes it a highly effective tool in modern warfare. These successes, especially in attacks on important targets such as Russian artillery, air defense systems and command posts, added to Bayraktar's reputation in global military circles. In addition to being used by Turkey, the Bayraktar TB2 has also been donated to Ukraine, providing them with an important tool in strengthening their long-range strike and reconnaissance capabilities.